Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours, and if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes, and you're going to find timeline down in the description of that video. So go choose depending on your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, yes you, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, my friend, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment. You done it? Welcome to the family. And yes you, if you are one of our family, please smash that like button, writing down a comment, support us guys. So let's start our lesson of today. As you see here today, we got here a green candle, and I tell it to you yesterday, I told you that red candle here, that one is Monday candle, and that one it's always doing against what the market is going to do all the week. That was me, I told you. And look at it here, the market gave us here a very nice pin bar here in that level where we are. Even if we zoom it, let me zoom it a little bit. As you see it here, look at it, very nice pin bar here. Showed you inter long, showed you inter short. Now here in the daily me I'm talking, not yet, my friend. What else we said here? We came here to that green candle, that one, and we do it like that. And here in the top we do it like that. The green candle I'm talking about is that one. We said we got here a inside bar, and look how many days we be in here sideways. So the market, it doesn't move to nowhere, it's staying here sideways. That's about 9 days. And also we are going to 2 weeks, and also we are stuck here in that level where we are here. The market, it's not moving to nowhere. So what shall we do now? We wait in the break either to happen here, and me I tell it to you, if we break here we are going to 34k, or the break to happen down here, and also we're going to go back to 25k. Picture is very clear guys. There is nothing hard, nothing complicated. You just need to wait till the right time came to you. For long term, you need to wait. And me I tell it to you, for long term, anytime you see a correction happening, try to DCA. Anytime you see a correction happen, try to DCA. But the only thing that I can tell you now, and if we break here, that level here, buy. You still have money hiding somewhere, go and buy it. I think picture is too clear guys here. Now let's go in to see the coming news for today. So let's go in there. That the coming news for today guys, as you see it here, we don't got something special here. We just got here pending home sales and crude oil inventory. Pending home sales, as you see, the previous one it used to be 8.1. The forecast for this one is going to be minus 2.3%. That the forecast of investing, we don't know exactly how it's going to come here. Till tomorrow we're going to know exactly. It's going to come at 2 o'clock GMT time, and you change it with your local time. I think picture is too clear, and here is our friend, the table of us we following every day here. What it telling us, look at it. You see the table of us here, what it telling us. All US stocks, they are red. Why? Because there is a scarcity plus the tech today, they being a little bit or slightly down, but not that much. As you see, even here, market here, even the stock market is it sideways, so the market is not moving to nowhere. Even if you go to the daily, the market give you like a small pen bar. The market is not moving to nowhere. The market is still flat. And here, look at it, our friend the VIX, it's go back below 20. Also we are 19.97. Why? Because the Fed plan to back up the banking system in USA, but now there is other banks, they are falling now in Europe, like Swiss Bank. Now they said maybe even Deutsche Bank is going to fall down, so we don't know exactly what's going to happen. We're still waiting, and that's good for crypto because people, they started moving the money of them from fiat currencies to crypto, and that's something very good. And here, look at it, US dollar, what it doing here, slightly going up today, but not that much. Is only by 0.02, so we still down. I think picture is too clear guys here. Now let's go in to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Here in the 4 hours, people, they been with us. They remember that we used to have here a diamond like that. Very clear diamond here. That diamond is getting broke here. I told you if you enter short here, you put stop loss here in that level. And in the last video, what I told you here, in that level here, I came and do it like that. And down here, we do it like that. We draw in here a triangle, very clear triangle, and I told you wait, and if we break down here, people, they enter short if it's breaking here enter more short. And I told you if it came up here and closing above that level here, close all the short and open a long position from here. Till now, as we stay sideways here, so the market is flat, but you don't know exactly when it's going to take off, because all that is just a rested level. You don't know exactly when it's going to take off. So you be prepared. You don't know exactly what's going to happen in the coming hours or coming days. Very clear. Look at it. You came here and you came down here and you draw in here a triangle and you waiting either the break to happen here, and also we are going to go higher, or the market to fall down and to break down here. That means it's going to fall down. Very simple and very clear. But the dilemma here, there is no one want to sell. Crypto, majority of people, they are just investors. No one want to sell. Majority of the people, they just accumulating, they just buying. That's why my advice to you, just start DCA. That way you don't see people they sell. So you here for swing trading, you just waiting opportunities like this, and when it's getting break up, you buy more. That's it. That's my advice to you. But if you want to swing trade, you wait in the break here to happen. Here in that level, then you enter short. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into our indicator, what it's saying. So let's go in there. Here it is, our indicator. We still here only for swing trading. That one here in the last video we've been breaking down here, and even it's breaking for all that diamond. I told you maybe it's going to fall down. Now look at it where it go back here. So till now you still waiting what's going to happen. Either we're going to go back again and we go down till the oversold area, or from here there is no people descending and we go back up again. So till now I'll show you. In the chart, you got there a triangle. Here in our indicator, look what we got here. We got a very clear downtrend, or that downtrend of the divergence. That one you waited to get broke here for you to enter long again. Till now there is nothing yet. And what it's telling you, that indicator here, it's telling you there is no power to push down. No one want to sell. That's what I told you. People in the crypto, they just accumulating, they just buying. That's the good news here for long-term investors. There is no one want to sell. After that fake news about Binance, we saw the drop here, but very quick the market is go back because that micro strategy, they buy $200 million of Bitcoin. So people they still buying. That was me I told you. People they still accumulating, they still buying. So even you try to take the opportunity, and even you waiting the price action. When the price action breaking above the trend line, we just show you in the 4 hours enter long again. Remember those things. Or it's breaking above that inside bar as we got in the daily. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, as you see it, we being here at the overbought area. We have here before a diamond like that is getting broke here. Now either that one is going to touch that diamond, and after that is going to fall down and to give us another load in that one. And also we make even scenario for that one. We make it like that, and we do it like that. And we said if it's breaking down here the trend line, we will enter short, and I told you it's going to fall down till here, till 24k. You need to remember that level very, very, very well, because if you see that falling down at 24k, try to buy some Bitcoin. It will not fall down that much, only to 24k, 23k. Try to buy from that level because it's going to be a very, very nice opportunity for you to buy. People they enter short, they using stop loss here. If the market came back up and breaking here, close the short and open a long again. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. By the way, before we continue, yes, you. I know you're going to tell me you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. Did you smash the like button? You don't. So please pause the video now. Go ahead and smash in that like button. Support us. You know that channel without you it can growing up. So please, guys, support us. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friend. So here in 30 minutes, in the last video, what I told you. People they been with us, they enter short from here. Because we used to have here a symmetric triangle, very clear here. That symmetric triangle getting broke here in that level here. They enter short down here. I told them take some of the profit. In the last video we said like this. We came here to those peaks like that, and we draw in here a trend line like that. And we said if we don't breaking above here, there is no entry long. So till now there is no break up here. That's the first scenario. Second scenario, we came down here. We said we got here a triangle. If it's breaking down here, we will enter enter short, it doesn't break up, it doesn't break down. And here, look what we got now here. Look with me here. If you came here and you do it like that, you got here a very clear megaphone here in 30 minutes. If that one came and breaking above here in that level here, enter long, guys. If that one came and breaking above here, enter long. If that one came down again and breaking that level here, enter short. Another thing very important here in 30 minutes. Look with me here what we have. You came down here and you go to the top of those ones. What you got here? You got a very clear down channel. Look at it. We touch it here. We touch it here. And we touch it in the top. How many times? Now, either that one is going to go to touch the top here, then after that is going to fall down. And also we make all the plans. If we're breaking above here, we are going to enter long. If it's breaking down here in that level here, we are going to enter short. Everything is too clear, guys. Now, let's see our indicator, what it's saying here. So it's going to see it. Our indicator, as you see it, it started entering here to the overbought area. So technically now you need to look in for short. For you to enter short, I just show you what you got here. That megaphone here, you waited to get broke down for you to enter short. It needs to break for us that level here. That level here, if it doesn't get in broke, there is no entry short. Look at that level, how stronger. It touches here. It came to it now, the market is showing a rejection here. So it's too hard now to enter short if we don't break down here. So till now there is nothing yet. For the long is the same thing. You wait in that level here, that one, to get broke here for us to enter long. If we don't break there is no entry long. Remember that. And that megaphone, I just show you now. Look at it. If you came to that megaphone, look where they are connected, that megaphone and that downtrend where they're connecting together. They're connected here. So we need at least to break that level here for us to enter long. If we don't, there is no entry long. Everything is too clear, guys. That's it for that video, and please don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.